everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Valentine's Day is very nearby and I can feel the love in the air everywhere around me. So today I thought I'll create a day look for Valentine's Day and transition the same look into a night look. What do you say? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I just went and did my eyebrows offline. So to start off with my face, I'm using the Prep Me Primer from Nykaa. Now a primer is very important, especially if you are in your late 20s or started off with your 30s, because that's when your pores actually start showing up. So a primer will neutralize all of that, give a very even base for our makeup to sit. To create a base for my eye look, I am first going in with my Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer from Maybelline. This is in the shade Medium. To blend it out. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Medium to set everything in place. I'm also going to bake my under eyes, so for that what I'm taking is a lot of loose powder on my sponge and just dabbing it here and let the deposit sit under my eyes. Now starting with the eye makeup, I am going to use the Mercury Retrograde palette today from Huda Beauty, and I am using the shade Libra and placing it all over my eyelids. So this is a very light lilac color, very beautiful color. I'm using this on my entire eyelids because it's kind of matching with my dress. Now I'm using the color Cosmic, which is a very beautiful light pink shimmer shade. Looks like this, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner till the middle of my lid. Okay, I'm not going to the outer part. Now I'm going to use the shade Hot Mess, which is kind of a deep maroon shade, and I'm trying to make a messy liner here, wing liner here, and I'm just lightly blending it out. Okay, I'm going to use the same color Hot Mess and put it in my lower lash line also, but keeping it only in the outside area, not bringing it near the inner corner. Then I'm going to go back with the color Libra, which I first used as the base, and put it from the inner corner till the middle so that the two colors blend nicely. I'm going to apply a couple of coats of mascara. I'm using the Falsies Lash Lift mascara from Maybelline, one of my favorites. Can you see how much lift it has given to my eyelashes instantly, just in one coat? Moving on to the face, I'm going to dust off the extra powder that we had deposited here. I'm going to conceal the problematic areas on my face. For my foundation, I'm using the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade N220. To brighten up, I'm going to use the Age Rewind Concealer in a lighter shade, which is Sand, under my eyes right here. here and here. You can see how instantly this step brightens up the entire face. Now I'm going to use the bronzer from Makeup Revolution London, this one. This is in the shade 02 Warm, just to give my face a little bit of life. I'm not going for any sharp contouring. Next, for my blush, I'm going for the Lakme 925. It's in the shade Coral Punch. Make sure that your blush is blending with your bronzer. For my lips, I'm going to first line my lips with the Lips Don't Lie from Nykaa. It's in the shade Pillow Fight. It's one of my favorites. You'll see why. Now I can leave it like this, but I am going to go for a lip gloss since it's Valentine's Day. I'm going with the Cuffs and Lashes lip gloss in the shade 02. Now the last step, I'm going to use some highlighter. Taking the same highlighter on a very thin brush, I'm going to put some in the inner corners. And a little bit on the brow bone. Alright, so we are ready to go out on our day date. Now in case you decide to continue partying till the night, you can easily transform this look into a night look, and let me show you how. Now to convert this same look into a night look, you just need 3 steps. First, eyeliner. Second, change your lipstick. And third step, change your jacket. And there you go, you're ready for your date night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you will utilize these tips for your Valentine's Day and have a very happy, romantic, lovely Valentine's Day, all of you.